Good morning, good evening and good afternoon to all. This is Vinod from myself Academy YouTube channel. We are working on Excel User Series 3.0, and when I'm in the morning after my walk, I just saw a video from my Guruji, Mr. Mike Griven, and thank you, Mr. Mike. This particular video I'm dedicating back to you again, and today we are about to see this data set to sort a data by its second name. So for example, if I have a name data here and where I have the first and second name is coming up here, I've already worked on this part. So now I'm about to show you how I'm going to use this data set better. So first part is I want to sort this data or the name here by the second name. So earlier we saw how to do the sort and sort by. I tried to do this in sort, but unfortunately I wasn't able to get that dimension correctly because it really didn't work for me when I tried to do that in a sort. I tried to do this in a sort. Unfortunately, it doesn't work. I chose the sort by whatever my mentor taught me. I'm just going to redo that again. So I'm going to give a comma, and the sort order is going to be the data that I'm going to use the text after functionality here, and then I'm going to select the same data set again, give a comma, and I want to sort the data by the second name. So I give the second name, I double close the bracket, give an enter. That's by default going to take the data in an ascending order. But if you want to mention the ascending or descending order here, you can do that by just adding the last comma and then select the one at the last here. That's going to tell you the formula here. This is an ascending order data set that I've done in this list here. If you want to do the other way around, just add the list. Again, I'm going to just convert this formula into a value, copy, paste, and value, enter. And then I'm going to just say equals formula text, select that, and then I just change final dimension to the -1. That's going to take you to the descending order part. That's going to show the data in descending methodology. So I should thank Mr. Griven for the wonderful video. I'm adding this and he's really spicing it up better by a lot of other dimensions. I even did one dimension of a 360 formula earlier differently, but he did it in a much different way. So I wish I will add that video also, but again he showed me 3 more methods to do it in the other versions of Excel, but I didn't check that yet. Let me come back with that. And then he did it with counters functionality, index match and row, and he just used the replace and search function. So I just want to see how he did it, but he did it with this helper column I video. I'm not sure about it, so let me try that and then put that in the upcoming video. Now that will be a 10.1 video on extracting the data, at least in one of the methodology that he said to me. Thank you so much. Hope you guys have learned something new and keep updating. This is Vinod signing off from myself Academy YouTube channel, Excel 3.0, video number 10. Happy learning.